In an eerie forge outside the kingdom of Caledon, a sinister figure labors long over a grotesque iron mask.
At last, I have perfected the mask of Vulcan. And with it, the kingdom is mine, all mine. Now, I am ready for the test. First, the palace guards.
Begone, or you will taste our spears.
Fire away, if you dare. Save your spears, soldiers. No one can harm me while I wear the mask of Vulcan. No one. Not even Hercules. You hear me, Hercules?
The menacing words reach Mount Olympus itself, and the challenge is swiftly answered by the mighty Hercules.
Quiet, Toot, quiet.
Where is this mask of Vulcan?
There he is, Herc. There he is. Go get him. Go get him.
I will, Newton. All right, mask. I'm ready.
So am I, Hercules. Stop! You're tickling me.
Suffering Psyche. Herc can't budge him. He can't budge him.
I warned you, Hercules. With this mask on, nothing can stop me.
Newton!
That's me. That's me. What? What? Who? Me? Me?
Remember, Newton, I'm counting on you.
Toot! Toot! There's only one way to stop him. One way to stop him. Listen, listen.
Out of my way, little runt. I'll fix you once and for all. The mask's off. I'll get killed. Hercules.
I did it, Herc. I did it. Well, maybe Toot did it. Maybe Toot did it.
Join us at his side, standing there with pride. Victory is here.